Para i-multiply nila yung
Yeah.
alam nila, kumbaga sila yung magiging sensei sa mga
Yes, yes. Tapos meron siyang plus portion na performance enhancement. So hindi lang siya run. Okay?
Wow.
Meron siyang part na talagang i-improve niya lahat sa iyo. Strength, conditioning, name it, nando na.
Wow.
Yeah. So I was part of that group.
At tell me, how do people enroll in the Milo Clinic? Is it
Actually,
still
wala na
ongoing?
siya ngayon.
Wala na. Okay, so ganito na lang. Reach out to Mar. Nasa Facebook naman si Mar.
Yeah.
Hanapin nyo lang, and then if you can find him, then he will help you. Ayan, di ba? So, continue natin. Yan.
Okay, so doon, nag-start na tayo. Then, after some time, ando na tayo sa coaching. So, I started coaching din yung Adi Nation of runners.
Talaga.
Okay?
Oo.
And this is one of the biggest group.